Hello friends, in today's lecture we are going to discuss about concept of magnetic field. So before starting the lecture, I would like to revise some properties of magnet. Actually, magnet, this word is coined from magnesia. So magnesia is a name of a place, it is the name of a region where some stones or rock type material is found, and some shepherds got the experience of the force of attraction between their iron weapons and the stone. So they gave the name magnetite, magnetite to that rock. This happened only because of the region called as the magnesia. Magnesia, magnesia to magnetite, magnetite to magnet. Magnet is the name of that particular substance, and the science or theory of magnet is called as magnetism. Magnetism. So suppose that this is a bar magnet. Suppose that this is a bar magnet. This is south pole and this is a north pole. So it has a tendency to remain stable when suspended and rotate it. So it always remains stable at north and south direction. The south pole of magnet shows the north direction of the earth and north pole shows the south direction of the earth. This is the first property of magnet. It always remains stable for north and south direction. So this property is very useful for the sailor. They used this magnet in a magnetic compass, and this magnetic compass is used while traveling in a sea or in ocean via ship. It is also applicable in aviation, means in aeronautics. So this is the first property. When you rotate the magnet in a circular motion or in a rotational motion, it remains stable or it becomes rest at north and south direction. Second property is that the similar poles, south pole, will repel to each other. South pole will repel to each other. North pole will repel to each other. Suppose this is north pole, this is north pole. They will repel to each other. One north pole, another is south pole. So they will attract to each other. They will attract to each other. South pole, north pole, north pole, north pole, south pole. Or suppose that this is south pole, it will also get attract towards the north pole. So it means that second assumptions or second characteristic is similar poles attract similar poles repel to each other, and dissimilar pole attract to each other. Second property is that suppose that this is north pole this is south pole. If you cut this magnet in two pieces, these two pieces further constitute north and south pole. If these two pieces further cut into different four pieces, then it will also constitute north pole, south pole, north pole, south pole, north pole, south pole, north pole, south pole, like this. So this is the tendency of magnet. If you make it in a powder form, each and every particle will constitute north and south pole. So this is the one more properties of the magnet. So what is magnetic field? So suppose that this is a magnet and the space around the magnet at which any piece of iron or nickel will get experience of force of attraction. That region is called as the magnetic field. This region is called as the magnetic field. So it is defined as the space surrounding the magnet where the magnetic force of attraction or repulsion is experienced. If here is some ball bearings which are made up of irons, so they will get attracted towards the magnet. But if this is the north pole, this is south pole, and here is a south pole, here is a north pole, so this magnet will experience a force of repulsion. So how can we define the magnetic field? So I can write here the definition. Magnetic field can be defined as it is a space surrounding the magnet where its magnetic force of attraction or repulsion is experienced. Is called magnetic field. So one more concept is there, that is retentivity. So what is this concept? So this concept is about the ability of that material. So what is retentivity? Retentivity, the ability of material to remain magnetized after removal of the magnetic force is called as the retentivity. It means that suppose that this is a magnet, and this is a nail which is remain attached to the magnet for long time. If I separate this nail after some time and it shows the magnetic property with another nail, so such type of property of material is called as the retentivity. So I can write its definition here like the ability, it is the ability of a material to remain magnetized, after removal of magnetic removal of magnetizing after removal of magnetizing force is called retentivity. So such kind of material we always find in our daily life when we use the screwdriver to put up or pick up a small screw from any electronics or electrical devices. So retentivity is useful for that, and this is the useful property. So today we will stop here. In next lecture we will discuss about magnetic field intensity.